Guys, good morning. It's early in the morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. Yes. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to my sister's place. So just thought of telling you or showing you what type of transport we use here in Zambia. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to do what? Subscribe. So you guys, let's go. Like I told you in the intro, we have different modes of transport when you come to Chipata. So there are motorbikes, bicycle, taxis, and buses. Bicycles, they're affordable. You can go at a long distance at a 10 kwacha. Motorbikes, longer distance, maybe 20 kwacha. Buses, 5 kwacha. So as you can see, this is where they park it's their rank. This is where they're parking their motorbikes. So I'm here to board a motorbike. So you guys, here I was negotiating what's the price because where I was going it was far. So this guy was so friendly. I told him that I'm recording a video and he was going at a slow pace, you guys. So as you can see in front, there's also a motorbike. There's someone again. There's a bicycle. You guys, it's really nice. So when you come to my city, there are ranks of bicycles. Also in front, there also a rank for bicycles. So you guys, when you come to Chipata, it's very normal to use a bicycle. Don't even feel shy. It's one of the mode of transport, the cheapest when you come to Chipata. So you guys, when you come here, come try it out. It's very fun. So this is also a taxi, another mode of transport. So you get a taxi, you get a motorbike, even a bicycle. It's okay. So this was me and my niece enjoying the ride on the motorbike. So you guys, we even had a conversation with the guy. We're talking about life. I was even asking him if this business is doing even manages to pay his rentals. He told me he manages to feed his family, which is very important, you guys. So these guys, they make in a day, they can make 300, 500 kwacha. It depends with maybe that day there's business or not. So you guys, that was nice. One minute, guys. Nigga, don't look me. But I do. Nayo next, your boy and boys. I really enjoyed myself. It was really a long ride because where we are going, it was far from my mom's place. If you haven't subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, leave a sweet comment for your girl, because when you leave a comment, it's always encouraged me to make more videos for you guys. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for always coming. I love you all and stay blessed.